Froling Energy just had the most experience in biomass heating systems. We had some pipe failing in the ground, and we knew we had to do something to make sure that we had reliable heat for the buildings.
We are focused on the technology. We bring in the best technology. We understand it because we've installed over 200 boilers in many, many different installations.
Froling Energy is primarily a mechanical contractor. We sell and install wood-burning technologies such as wood boilers that can consume pellets or dry wood chips or green wood chips. We provide a holistic service. After the project is complete, we start delivering fuel and servicing the boiler. We can then monitor them remotely. We have close to 100 boilers that we're monitoring for other companies and for school districts and universities. So it's a very traditional energy company. It's a model that people have been used to for 100 years.
We're a real close-knit group of people that work well together. It's turnkey. We control the project from start to finish. We hire the engineers, we hire the architect, and we all have a lot of expertise in what we do, from concrete work to electrical work, high-quality equipment and high-quality workmanship.
European boilers are the top dog, and Mark goes to Europe a lot to go to conferences and talk to manufacturers, and he understands what's out there, what's succeeded, what has failed.
We evaluated a range of biomass heating fuels for our project. Precision-dried chips made the most sense given the size of our facility, and it also provided us with the lowest cost.
PDCs, or precision-dried wood chips, go to the customer at 25% moisture content.
There's things called thermal recs, as well as grants and rebates that would be able to give a financial incentive specifically for biomass boilers. Upfront costs are less, and then the ongoing fuel costs are much less.
I knew we wanted to get away as much as possible from fossil fuel. Froling did an excellent job of installing the system. One of the things that excited me about it was that they were able to tie into the pipes and circulate the water throughout our existing system, which was a real advantage for us. Our oil usage has dropped over 90%. Our payback is going to be well within what they projected it would be. We're looking at roughly 6 years.
It's all sustainably forested. The wood that local schools are getting is very likely that some of the parents are involved in the logging process, in the trucking or the refining process.
We personally feel that this is important in our region. Using local material, using local labor, it keeps our resources right here.